Well, looking ahead to next week, our average high goes up to 94. So, yeah, we're getting into the dog days of summer. We're actually going to be a little bit cooler today, and that is all thanks to cloud cover throughout the day. So our highs are going to be in the mid 80s to the low 90s. Still going to be hot, but we won't have that intense sun beating down on us all day long. It's going to be mostly cloudy, and we're going to be tracking some showers. Do want to get you a look at radar right now. A lot of us are dry, especially along 281 and west. Not really concerned early this morning about rain for you, but a couple of quick passing showers are working up through Taft at the moment, working through San Pat County over from downtown Corpus Christi earlier this morning, and then a couple of more showers just off the coast of the National Seashore. But as we take a look at that wider perspective and look down south, we have some showers and heavier rainfall developing out in the Gulf, and then right around Brownsville, we're tracking some heavier rain as well. These will continue to push up, especially this batch that is approaching Brownsville right now will push up to the north and eventually into the coastal bend later on this morning. So at least right now, we're just looking at a few coastal showers, one or two more pop-up showers developing for inland spots around 8:30, 9 o'clock, and then late morning, early afternoon. Here comes that batch of rainfall moving up from Brownsville, continuing to work across the coastal bend from south to north. By 2:30, we'll watch some heavier rainfall for our northern spots, a couple of isolated showers behind that batch, and a few more lingering showers for our inland locations around 6, 7 o'clock. But after 7 o'clock, things should gradually begin to die down. So this morning, most of the rainfall that we would be tracking early this morning will be along our coastline. But again, 8:30, 9 o'clock, we'll see a few more showers developing. 11, 12, 1 o'clock, scattered rain and thunderstorms as that batch moves up from the south, and a few more isolated lingering showers, couple of lingering thunderstorms around 5, 6, and 7 o'clock this evening. High temperatures today again into the middle 80s to the low 90s. Winds today pick up out of the southeast at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy conditions throughout much of the evening. If you are heading out to the Hooks game tonight, rain is not going to be a concern for first pitch, but it will be a little bit humid. It will also be mostly cloudy and warm. Looking ahead to the weekend, we'll start off tomorrow morning, maybe an isolated shower or two along the coast. We'll get some showers developing inland and still going to be tracking scattered rainfall for tomorrow afternoon. All of that will start to clear out by the evening, and then on Sunday afternoon, we'll get a few more isolated showers developing once again. So tomorrow, up to a 30% coverage of rain. On Sunday, a 20% coverage. Then, as we look to Monday, we'll get Saharan dust moving into South Texas, and unfortunately, this is going to be a thick batch of dust, probably the thickest dust that we've seen so far this year, and that's going to linger into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and potentially as late as Thursday. So dust all next week. Otherwise, we're relatively dry and hot with highs next week in the mid 90s.